very late today. Very, very late. I think I'm supposed to start my CVS for school. Very cold. I'll have a look at everywhere. Can you see? Everywhere is very dry. Very, yeah.
Yes, the bad captain. Yes, so okay, no,
Guys, it's the week of my birthday and my best friend sent me this package. I cannot wait to unbox this, but I won't be doing it alone. I'll be doing it with you. So let's unbox this big package together. And I also bought this cute package for myself and I'm going to be unboxing it too in this video. Let's do this together. Biko. Na me de hot, oh. Na me de hot. So there are 3 packages here. Let's start with the first one. This is a packet from STEM. Says thank you so much for your order. Aww. Bro, I love it so much. See, this YouTube logo on it gives it away for me. Bro, I love this so much. So much. Thank you. See, thank you, STEM. I love this. That's all for this. Now, moving on to this big box. Feels like a box of mystery. Let's open it, okay? Georgia. God! This journal so lovely, so lovely. I love this. Ooh. Ah! Oh my God! Oh, thank you. Did this thing for me. This, you know this thing. My friend did it for me. Okay. Bro! I wish you long life in health and in wealth. Okay. I wish you 100 years. Okay. 200 years will not be bad. I pray you receive all of the good and sweet things life has to offer. Okay. You said don't try. deserve to rest. You can buy ibuprofen. I wish you strength, joy, and success in all the things you're passionate about. But this year will be your best year yet. Look to the right, look down. You are so beautiful and full of life. Get yourself something to eat also. See you next year 22. Same time, same season, same station. I love you. I love everything. The straw. I was wondering where the straw would be. The way I go they carry water, they go off is how do I even use this thing? It's original. My friend know they buy fake. Not be fake, see an original. This is scripture jar. Okay. For me, and it smells so good, so good. It just smells so lovely, so lovely. This is a scripture. These are scriptures for when I am thankful. Ooh. I love this. I love it so much. So I can even see myself in it. Come on. This is very ridiculous. This book is very ridiculous. So ridiculous, but I love it. Thank you so much, my dear best friend. I love you. This one I bought it by myself. And this is a box from Blinks by Beanie. And see what's inside. It came with a note. It says, "Hey Blinga Miracle, I am now a Blinga. Say welcome to the Blingers community. Thank you so much for choosing us. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you love your new jewelry as much as we loved packing it for you." Then this is what I got for myself from Blinks by Benny. You should check them out. Already they deliver. And this is from Blinks by Benny too. I love this piece so much. And then she sent this as a souvenir package. This one came as a free gift for this box. Oh God, yes, that's all. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Once again, I'll be binding to me. I hope to see you in the next one, and let's continue to do big things together, shall we? Yes, we shall.